channel. I am so glad that you guys decided to come back to see what's going on with the kid. Today I have a 3-in-1 get ready with you guys. This includes hair, makeup, and outfit tees. The backstory about this hair that I'm about to finesse for you guys is actually from Nadula Hair. So I have worked with this hair company before, and I know a lot of people have positive things to say about this hair company, so you can do your own research on it. But today I think I have in their curly texture, so I'm going to basically revamp it, try to make it look a little bit more tameable and, you know, not so big. What I ended up just doing was, after I installed it on a dome cap, I just combed it out just to see how big it can get, and I wanted to get ready, you know, without having the camera on, but I was like, you know what, no, I'm gonna just show them how it looks. And yeah, so this is how the hair looks. So if you're interested to see this 3-in-1 get ready, please continue to watch. Let's get started. So what you're gonna need is some water and some conditioner. I'm going to spritz my hair with this water bottle. It's just with plain water, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of conditioner in the hair as well. And by the way, I only have 2 bundles in from this company. They actually sent me 3, so that's a good thing. So make sure you hit the ends of the hair, because when you start detangling, you want to start with going from bottom to top when it comes to detangling. I'm going to add a little bit of this Aussie Mega Moist conditioner. I am getting slight shedding, but that's probably because I cut my wefts, and also this is curly hair, so you should expect a little bit of shedding with curly hair. As long as it's not like a ton of shedding, then you're good. But if it's a little bit, 9 times out of 10, all you have to do is just do exactly what I'm doing. Just apply some conditioner, comb through it, let it air dry, and you shouldn't have that problem anymore. Just got my glasses back from my cousin's house. My glasses have been at my cousin's house for a very long time, and you don't know how good it feels to be able to see. Alright, so I just got from underneath the water, and now I'm just going to use a random t-shirt just to scrunch up the hair. And this is going to make sure that you don't have a whole lot of frizz, because towels bring frizz. So remember this when you're working with your natural hair as well, because I don't use a towel on my natural hair at all. I either let it air dry or I use a t-shirt. In my videos, when I've been trying to be cute and keep my blinds up, it's been fucking up my videos, so no more of that. I have been using this Makeup Forever primer, and I'm here for it. It's cool or whatever. It's not like something that I'm like, you must get. I feel like this is this primer is one of the primers that you're like, all right, what is this really doing? Milani Prime Light Primer, and it's like a strobing primer, so it gives that glowy look or whatever to your skin. situation just the other day, so I'm not too late with the tea. Picked up this NYX Wonder Stick, and this is like a 2-in-1 concealer and contour like situation. I don't like things to be too red, and I also don't like digging into products. So I kept it because I just knew that I wasn't gonna be able to find it in my new spot that anywhere where I live now. So I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I still been loving this, and this is just a set all over the face. And this just sets that area, so when I go in to bronze up my face, nothing looks patchy because I am going to be doing more circular motions when it comes to bronzer. This is the older one, but I'm still loving it. This is the, what is this? Black Radiance True Match Contour Palette, light to medium. And I just like taking the contour shade, as you can see, because it gives that like really pretty bronzy look. And then I like taking the sculpted shade, so I like bouncing back and forth. And then I like taking it and like doing circular motion.
I was so before.